Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm going to teach you how to replace your Dell Latitude E6410 keyboard. It's very simple. First of all, you have to remove a panel here on top of the keyboard, which makes it easier for you to get to the screws. There is two screws underneath it, There is two screws underneath the little panel that I just took off. Okay, so you unscrew it, unscrew them one and put them aside, and this is the second one. Like I said, it's very simple. Just go ahead, grab the two tips here and lift the keyboard up slowly and gently, and pry your hands or fingers underneath it gently, just to make it easier to remove. There we go, and it's getting out. And then you pull it like that, and out we go. And you take the new one, and this is my new keyboard that I've just bought, and you can get them online if you want, or go to a reputable computer repair shop, or probably a sales shop, and you might get something like that. And there we go. You insert the connectors in there first, and make sure the lockers are in place exactly, and then push a little bit gently and press gently but firmly down, so that the lockers on the edges will click in properly. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. And just put the screws back in. Screw it back. That is done. And so is this one. That is also done. There we go. And then lastly, you take the panel that you took off before you got to the screws, and place it exactly as it is. Line it up, and then firmly and gently press it down, and you feel the clicks in. And there we go. It's as simple as that. There we go. That is done. And keyboard done. So guys, if this video helps you, please give us a thumbs up and a like, or subscribe if you want. Thank you very much. All the best.